Mrs. Amoechi, life with you has been nothing than amazing. Life with you has been nothing than being awesome. Is it just iconic that the day I met you was the day I left my jacket? Unknown to me that God has placed another jacket. Mine forever. And people never have a place.
Yes, I will.
What's up, my people? Welcome to Man the Gap TV. It's a boy DJ Man the Gap. Remember in the last video, I promised you that I will be bringing you this exclusive interview with a couple that got engaged on the stage in front of a massive crowd during an Afrobeat concert.
Like an angel in the morning, shooting star across the night. The most beautiful girl I've seen in all my life.
When people get engaged, it's always a life-changing experience. So let's find out what has changed in the life of this beautiful young couple.
All over me, already alive. I will love you forever. Yeah, me, all over me, already alive. I will love you forever.
Life after the proposal. Introducing the latest
Proposers in town.
All right. Guys, introduce yourself. So,
My name is Ade and
Moses.
and
Come on.
together we are Ademos.
What's new? What's different?
It was different though because I mean it was outside in the public. Everybody was wishing us, you know, congratulations and trying to say, oh, if we're gonna do this, we're gonna do this. If you need help, blah blah blah. But it's all right though. Yeah.
That was really crazy. You know what I
Just
mean? The
really
whole
saying.
social media, bloggers,
know.
everyone is talking about it. And do you know the way they described it? They said this a romantic guy. And I'm thinking, this guy must be really romantic. When I watched the video, I said, confirm, this guy is actually a romantic guy. Everyone is always hunting for that one thing that will lead to something. So let's find out what Moses was looking for when he met Adam.
Have you seen my beautiful baby? Have you seen my tomato baby? Oh, ELA, baby, suffer the cool me temper. Ada, baby, na sugar. Yo. Everybody they wait. Utakene no more. If I didn't maka, better soup na money kilamo.
How did you guys meet?
It's quite funny that I've always attended your events, which is the work party events.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's all right.
Yes! DJ Man the Gap just found a couple. Wow!
So,
Are you kidding me?
Yeah, I've always been
Okay.
attending at your events, and,
Okay.
which happens every other 3 months, I think.
Well, yeah, then.
Well, on this certain day, the last one you hosted, I
Yeah.
actually forgot my jacket.
Okay.
And I think that's one of the most expensive jackets I've got.
Okay.
So I then tried to look for it. That's the day you're hosting your event. That day I was like, I don't feel like doing it tonight. I'm like, okay, no, I really need to go because of my jacket.
Yeah.
So on getting there that night, so then she came away with another jacket. Basically,
Okay.
I call her my jacket because I was looking for a jacket, but then I
Came
found
with-
someone.
So you mean she came with 2 jackets?
Basic, no, it's
I'm the
it's his
jacket.
She's
All right. Okay, your jacket.
I'm the jacket.
Guys, that's another one. No
Wherever
jacket.
that will keep him
So
warm.
you actually found your jacket on
So
that
I
day.
lost the artificial one, basically.
Yeah, you now found the real
I found
jacket.
the real one.
Now I agree with this guy. When they say that this guy is really romantic, now I give it to him.
Yeah.
He is actually romantic. Wow.
So yeah, from there we just,
Just click.
I thought I was the best dancer, but then this lady was just looking at me like, what's wrong with this one?
So it was like,
And then, you spin the deck, and then boom, I saw like, oh, okay.
so it was a competition between both of you
It
guys.
was, I won. So.
Okay, I let that go.
So you won the dance, he won your heart.
There you go. Nice.
proposals don't just happen, it's always planned. So my question is, how did Moses manage to pull up this stunt without his girlfriend suspecting? I mean, how far did Moses go for Hadi's case?
Fire gas, yo, no. Fire gas, yo, fire gas, yo, no.
So, what happened on that day?
Right, because I did a surprise birthday for her a
Okay.
few weeks before that
Okay,
day.
I wasn't invited.
Sorry.
Okay.
So if at all I was thinking she is expecting anything, it's probably gonna be that day.
That day.
Then nothing came up. Just
Okay.
a surprise birthday party. The following week was Valentine.
Okay.
Again, if she was expecting anything, it's probably gonna be the Valentine's Day.
Valentine's Day.
Nothing
She was
happened.
already
Nothing came
expecting.
So
Expectant.
so
Mrs. Expectant.
I told her go fix her nails, do some stuff,
Okay.
you know, look good, da 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 da. But trust my lady, I gave money for nails. She just got that in the pocket, and she went to clean the nails. But nothing was fixed. So I like, you know, life still goes on.
Yeah.
But then so she was just dancing. You know, we couldn't even see that upstairs because I
Upstairs.
knew I was going to do that. So Teni was just going to pull her out randomly. So she wasn't expecting it.
So Teni called her out.
Yeah,
Yeah, I thought I was going to
Teni,
dance.
she thought she was just going to
Because she's
dance.
a good dancer.
Well, she thought
No, Teni calls people out on stage to dance.
yeah, okay.
And yeah, she called me out on stage, so I was going to dance, give them the dance
Yeah,
there,
yeah.
you know. But later on, just really
Just
came out
this
of nowhere.
one coming out of where?
I know, it was so
Did you cry?
emotional.
Did you cry?
Okay, I did cry, but I think it was not that obvious.
It wasn't obvious.
Yeah,
But you were not expecting.
I was not expecting.
Well done.
honestly.
Good job. Good job. Good job. Good job. This is another very interesting question. How long do people need to date for before they start thinking of taking it further? That is to say, how long did Moses start to beginning to fall in love before he thought about proposing to Hadi?
I fit to spend all of my money on you. Spend a couple million on you. Give you love until you say you don't do. Yeah, yeah. Special type of feeling that I feel when I'm with you. Oh, the mommy, anytime where I do with you. I want your heart and soul and your own body too. I can't let you go. I'm beginning to fall in love.
To the next question.
Yeah.
How long did you guys date for before the proposal?
It's not even actually up to a year, to be honest.
Wow.
It's not to a year, but then this is contrary to my other beliefs.
Yeah.
I've always thought, oh, you need to be together for a certain number of years.
Yeah, that's a
for
mentality,
But then
yeah.
I realized that as time goes on, you know, once you're connected with someone,
Yeah.
just go for it.
That's it. I would like to ask you viewers this question. Where is the best place to meet a future partner? Let's find out from this couple how they feel meeting in a club.
Take me away with you, girl. Yeah. Can I call you baby? Sugar, sugar. Ara mi tu wa lọ́nà. You know. Make I take you lolly. I don't mean to be rude, yeah, baby. Oh my little one, but I want to on your face. Yeah, spend all my money, oh, fight for you like that, oh, baby, no be true.
What would you say to that?
What I would say to that, I kind of have a bit of bad experience with meeting people in the club. I've had experience with that, so I was like, I will never, you know, take someone seriously if I meet them there.
Yeah.
When I met him, it was quite different. The way,
Okay.
yeah, just different.
Plus,
So
you know
it was
what?
quite funny.
I'm not this type of people that categorize people because even in church,
Yeah.
you meet some Jezebels.
Yeah.
Like, you know, not every. In fact, in church you find some of the witch and wizard. So I don't. Yeah, the atmosphere matters, but sometimes okay, for me to find someone in the club and I'm thinking, okay, I can't get married to this one. Then what am I doing there myself?
What are you doing there?
So-
But you're a regular couple.
Not regular sometimes.
Because
yeah,
once in a
sometimes.
while
Yeah,
you go out
yeah,
to alcohol. And I can't blame people because everybody always have the mentality that the best place for you to catch is to get flamed or whatever
just in
is a
church.
club. So I think you're just lucky. I know Moses is a good guy, like a romantic guy. I know he's not a guy that goes around looking for girls to grab any girls. So you must be lucky. And to be honest with you, you're a good girl as well. Trust me, there are bad guys, and the bad girls in club as well. Your advice to people looking forward to meet someone as well, you know?
So all I'm gonna say is for you to find the right person, be right yourself, be the right person.
Just be real.
Be real, guys.
Yeah.
You can understand. You gotta be real. If you're real, you're gonna meet a real person. Now, this is a multi-million-dollar question that I guess most engaged couples don't have an answer to. Is there gonna be an actual wedding?
If I don't marry you, now him be say I the grace. Tell your mother, tell your father, make we relate. Money go follow you, blessings stay on the way. Any man will put us on the wanna thunder. Fire, fire, chase them all away. Any man will put us on the fire, fire, chase them all away. Everything a double, double.
So when is the wedding day? Has it been confirmed?
Let's keep that code in for now. But yeah, let's just
We'll let you guys know.
Add it was 2020, yeah.
Okay.
This year there's happening this
But make sure that you get me as a DJ. Is that a deal?
That's looked down.
I met in June, so
So
why
I'm
not?
gonna be the DJ.
Yeah.
Guys, that is it on Mind the Gap TV. Once again, meet the latest
Business in town.
Mr. and Mrs. What?
And you forward check.
Alright then, make sure you subscribe.
Thank you for
More
having
stuff in the UK coming. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this segment. My next video is about 10 things guys watch out for before they propose to that girl that they want to spend the rest of their life with. Are guys looking for how good you are in bed? Are guys looking for how good you are in the kitchen? Is it all about how religious you are? I've managed to research and interview several guys just to find out that one thing that makes them tick. So ladies, you don't want to miss this. By the way, if you haven't done so, why not subscribe to my channel and turn off the notification so you don't miss anything. And also, don't forget to share this video. Mind the gap.
So I promise you forever and for always. And girl, you are my sunshine, baby. Don't you go away. Yeah, I want me. All over me. Already alive. I will love you forever. Yeah, I want me. All over me. Already alive. I will love you.